Today on Data Analysis video, we are going to dive into Pandas data cleaning. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is all about fixing bad data in data sets. It could be empty cell, data in wrong format, wrong dates, and duplicates. My name is Abdul Qadir Salami. Let's see how it's done. Hello and welcome to your data analysis video. Today we are going to dive into Pandas. Yes, Pandas. Today we are going to talk about data cleaning. Data cleaning, we are going to talk about how to check for empty cell, how to check for data that are in wrong format, how to check for wrong data duplicates, how to clean up your data. So today, that is what we are going to focus on. So let's get started. So first, I need to import pandas as PD. Okay, and I need to also import my file and save it into a variable. So I'm going to use data. So I'm going to use data is equals to pd.read.csv underscore CSV. Then we have an open bracket, and I'm using uber.csv. Then close the quotes and close it. So now we have it here, so let's execute it. Okay, perfect. So we have our data imported, and then we saved it into a variable called data. So now the reason for this is for easy access. So right now, let's open the data. So we have to launch it by typing data, and let's execute it. Perfect. So now we have our data right here. So now let's talk about data cleaning. Now to clean up our data, the first thing we need to do is to search for missing value. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more of our videos. Thank you. Now to search for missing value, we use data dot is now. So let's execute it. So that's it. So what this does, it shows us a table, and then in this table we have false and we have true. In this table we have false and we have true. So false means there is no missing value. That's what false means. But when it shows true, it means there is missing value. And we can see right here that we have true, so which means these are missing values. These are missing values too. So we have quite some missing values here. So you need to note that when it shows false, it means there is no missing value in those columns. But when it shows true, it means there are missing value. So now, what do we do with this missing value? So, but first, before we get there, let's scroll up. You can see from our table that truly there are missing value, because right here we have none, we have none. So all these are columns with no information, which means their value are missing, their value are not available. So which means the code we just type is right. So that's why we have it here as true. So these are the missing value. So now what do we do? Now we have two options. We can drop the missing value by deleting them, or we can replace them with values. To wipe them off, we can use our data dot drop. Okay, so this is the code. So what this does is it removes all the missing value column. It removes them away. So let's just execute it. So that is it. Now you can see that the missing value are no longer there. Now let's talk about how to do data selection. Now to do data selection, what it means is selecting some columns, not all columns. Maybe you want to work on one of the columns, or you just want to have access to few columns, not all. So how do we do that? So now what we need to do now, okay, is to go back. Let's type our data is already here, and let's give it, okay, and now let's pick which of the column do you want to focus on, like which columns do you really want to work on. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 columns here. So the essence of selecting a single column, it means you just need one of the column to access and to work on. So let me use purpose. So I have to copy this and bring it here. So this is the column I want to work on, but remember to open the single quotes and then close it here, and that's it. So now let's execute it. So what this does, it gives me just that column. So these are the information in that column. So these are the information in the single column. So this is how to select a single column. Okay, let's assume you need a multiple column. So for multiple column, what we need to do is to give it a comma, and then let's select category as the second column. Let's copy it, and let's come over here. Let's open a single column. Let's paste it, and let's close a single column. Okay, and then here let's open the bracket and let's close it twice. Okay, that's it. So let's execute it. So that's it. So we have 2 columns. Okay, so this is how to do data selection and to filter your data. So we have 2 columns. So it means you can interchange between columns. I need 1 column. I've done that. Now this is the 2 columns, how to bring them out. So that's it. So that's it for that. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. That's it. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Thank you.